Tired of drowning in PDF paperwork? Let's turn that chaos into calm by unlocking the power of Zapier to automate your PDF workflows. First, head over to Zapier and log in or create a new account. If you don't already have one, Zapier connects different apps and services, automating tasks between them. Click the Create Zap button. A zap is an automated workflow. You'll define a trigger, which is the event that starts the automation, and actions, which are the tasks Zapier performs. Let's start with a trigger. For example, if you want to process invoices automatically, you could use Email by Zapier as the trigger. This will start the workflow whenever a new email with an attached PDF arrives. Select your trigger app, connect your chosen account, and configure the trigger. Specify the email address to monitor and set filters to only process emails with PDF attachments related to invoices. Now, let's add an action. Search for a PDF app. There are many options, depending on what you want to do. For example, to extract data from the PDF, you might use PDF. Select your desired PDF app. Configure the action to extract the data you need, such as invoice number, date, and amount. Map the data fields from the PDF to the corresponding fields in your chosen destination app, like Google Sheets or your accounting software. You can add more actions. For example, create an automated report in Google Sheets. Once you're happy with the workflow, name your Zap and turn it on. That's it. Your Zap will now automatically extract data from new invoice PDFs, saving you time and reducing errors. Now, go explore the many PDF workflows you can automate with Zapier, from generating contracts to creating personalized reports. Happy automating!